address, network you need to write network ID 192.168.70.0, give space. This one I am configuring the DHCP server. This way you will configure. You need to write the network ID and the subnet mask. Here will be the gateway. What will be the gateway means gateway will be the router interface IP what we configure. We configure sub interface for VLAN 70, this one. And I will write IP DHCP exclude IP. Don't give this IP. We are saying don't give from 192.168.70.1 till 192.168.70.10. Okay, exclude this IP we are saying. After that I will write IP DHCP pool for VLAN 80 also. Then same thing you will write network and the network ID of the VLAN 80. So VLAN 80 we plan to give as this one, and then subnet mask whatever you use, give that one. Then default router give the IP, that is what we can say gateway, that is a router interface IP, sub interface IP, and then exclude IP DHCP exclude address. I don't want to take this address. I am saying DHCP server when you are giving the IP, don't give the IP, this IP from this range, because maybe later I am going to use this IP, this range. Okay, so I think we done all the configuration here. We can test here. Go to this machine and check here you are getting the IP from the DHCP or not. Now you get the IP from DHCP. Look here also the another machine, check here. You are getting the IP from the DHCP. Okay, and go here, check here. Yes, 80 you are getting, and let's check here also. Yeah, so everything is good. Now just we can ping, we can check any other network is working or not. So I will write ping. I can ping any computer here, maybe this server, whatever IP we have to this server, that IP 30.11. now we have to this server 30.11. so I will go here, I will write ping 192.168.30.11. okay, I am pinging from here, and this server is having 30.11 only, right? 30.11. yeah, see it is working. And if you want to access the services also, you can go to the web browser right here, 192.168.30. what is that one, 11. It is working. If you want to change services here, go here to the services, HTTP, edit this, and you can say welcome to. Okay, here you can write anything here. Okay, and save, and you can close. So we save. Now we can check here, we change, right? So see here it is changed here. So what is the meaning of this one? We are able to access. If you take, you can ping this device also. Check here 40.11. go here and try to check 40.11 is also working or not. So here you will put 40.11 and check it is also working. Wait for some time, it will work. And see here, yeah, it is also working. So everything is okay, and you can check here also. You can write show IP route. You can see here we are getting the route here. You are receiving this route from the OSPF. O means OSPF, and this is from different area. That's why you have OIA. Like here we put area 1. If you want to put some different area also we can put, but anyhow this one is area 1, this one is area 0. So you are getting the route. If you want to check, you can write show IP route and OSPF. If you want to see only OSPF route, then press this one, type this one. So this one is good. Okay, whatever project before we stopped, now we done this, but still it is not finished. After that you need to do some more work here. If you see, this is the topology, we need to do the configuration here. So before going to that one, let me put the configuration whatever I want to edit here in the router 4. In router 4 I change the configuration, right? Because I am going to share this notepad in our Telegram channel. So better I should update here. This is F1 by 0. So here we will remove this, or we can say no IP address. Okay, and then here I will say, or I can copy and paste whatever we done there. Where is that one? Yeah, this one, right? 70 and 80 we did not done, or what? 80 it is not showing here. Maybe we forget 80 and we did not test at 80. Let me paste here, we will see. Here I will say this one, or I can write here interface F1/70 and IP what we have here. This one I will copy. Where it is? 70, this one I will copy. I will put this here. Okay, this one, and same thing we need to do for 80. So I think 80 I forget to do the configuration in the router. So here will be 80, here will be 80, here will be 80. But before putting that one, let me check, do we have that one or not? Show IP interface brief. Yeah, I have here. Okay, maybe let me check show run and check that one. Yeah, we have this one also. Okay, so this one I done. Now we need to do the DHCP also configuration. So DHCP configuration I can copy from here and paste here and modify as per our requirement. Here if you see, this is the configuration of DHCP. I will say this is for 70, this is for 70, this is for 70, this is for 80, this is for 80, this is for 80. Clear, right? This is a DHCP configuration, and also you need to do here also, like here .70. In this interface we need to enable the OSPF under the sub interface, and this should be 80. That's all. No confusion, right? It is clear. So this configuration we done here. If you want, I can save the configuration here and save this lab, so this will work. Now we need to look another company which we are planning to purchase that one. So here if I take, you have here VLAN 90 and 100. So let's go here and do the configuration. This switch name we can give, so it will be easy for us. Here we use 4, so we can give this one as a 5. So easy for us. In real world you will have maybe different name, but for simplicity I am giving the 5 and 6. So it will be easy for us to do the configuration. So this is a switch 6. I will do the configuration for switch here below. So this is a switch 5, we can say switch 5 configuration. Okay, you will do enable config t host name. What is that name? Is 5. You have VLAN, so you write VLAN. What is the VLAN? 90. And you have the VLAN 100. What name we give here? Let's see, do we have any name? We don't have any name, so we can keep like this. So it will take the default name. Later if you want to update, you can update that one, no problem. So here we created 2 VLAN. Now we need to put the ports, and also you have one interface F0 by 3. That should be trunk. So I will write interface F0 by 3. I will write here switch port mode trunk. Okay, and this one, if you see, this is F0 by 1, this is F0 by 2. So this should be in the VLAN 30. So let me do here interface range F0 by 1-2, right? 1.1-2 you have, or what you have here? F0 by 1. Okay, F0 by 1 we have. Okay, so we need to put this. So I will write here switch. Okay, so we will continue this because here we have the lot of noise. Switch port mode axis, and then switch port axis VLAN 90. Okay, So after that we will do in our next class the remaining configuration we need to do for the switch 5. It is incomplete. Okay, thank you. Bye.